Car insurance rates have increased 54% since 2020. And if you're anything like me, then you probably want the best coverage possible at the most affordable rate. That's why in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can get the best possible car insurance coverage at the most affordable rate if you live in Idaho or Utah. Plus, if you're a little impatient just like me, you can click down below this video to submit your current car insurance information, and I'll send over a comparison of what you could be paying after shopping the 8 different carriers that I have as an independent insurance agent. For those of you who don't know me just yet, my name is Jaden Johnson, and I'm your favorite independent insurance agent serving the states of Utah and Idaho. And like I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to get the most affordable car insurance rates for the best possible coverage in the states of Idaho and Utah. So let's dive right in. The first thing that we have to discuss is what is the best car insurance coverage for your vehicles. Now, as an insurance agent, I believe that you shouldn't overinsure your assets and you shouldn't underinsure your assets. And while these coverage limits won't be perfect for everybody, for majority of people, these are going to be the perfect coverages that also save you the most amount of money on your premium each and every month. As you can see here is a breakdown of what I recommend as the best possible car insurance coverage. The first type of coverage that's included is your liability limits, and I recommend choosing $100,000 for per person coverage and $300,000 for per accident or per occurrence coverage. The second number is your property damage limit. I recommend that you have at least $100,000 limit for your property damage limit. Then last but not least is going to be your full coverage, also known as comprehensive deductible and your collision deductible. For comprehensive, I don't recommend submitting a bunch of claims because those will go against your insurance record and they'll follow you for the next 5 years, causing your premium to be more and more every single month. So instead of submitting a bunch of glass claims, I recommend that you set your comprehensive deductible at $500 because if you do need to submit a bigger claim, it will still give you that type of coverage just with a higher deductible and save you quite a bit of premium on a monthly basis. The other deductible is your collision deductible. I recommend that you set that collision deductible at $1,000 because with a collision type of claim, it's typically going to be a significant amount or significantly more than a comprehensive claim. So setting it at $1,000 still is going to save you a bunch on your premium every single month, but not really ruin you financially if you did need to use that coverage and you needed to pay that $1,000 deductible. So now that you know what is the coverage that you should be shopping for and that I recommend as an insurance agent, now I'm going to tell you how to find the most affordable rate. Now, as you know, every single auto insurance carrier out there is going to offer different rates depending on how they're doing as a company. And that can actually change year over year. So if you're wanting to get the best rate, I'm sorry, but my recommendation is to actually shop around. That is going to take you a bunch of time and effort, but I promise you it's going to be worth it in the long run. I have some individuals who I've gone ahead and shopped around for who saved over $400, $600, and even recently over $2,500 on premium over 6 to 12 months just by moving to another carrier for the same type of coverage with their auto insurance. But once again, if you're anything like me and you just want to kind of have a cheat code or a hack to move as fast as possible, you can have me do that process for you. I have 8 different carriers that I am partnered with as an independent insurance agent that I can quickly shop through, and within several minutes, 30 minutes or less, I can actually have a good idea of what you could be paying with a bunch of different carriers. So instead of you doing all of that work, my recommendation is to find an independent insurance agent who is partnered with multiple different carriers, because within 30 to 60 minutes, they can have a bunch of quotes ready for you rather than you spending hours or even days or weeks trying to find the best rate on your own. So that, my friends, is how I recommend finding the most affordable car insurance rates and the most affordable premium while also getting the best type of coverage. Now, like I mentioned before, if you want to, you can go down below this video if you live in the state of Idaho or Utah, and I can do all the heavy lifting for you to find you the best coverages along with the best rate. All you have to do is click down below the video, submit your current insurance information, and within the next day or two, I'm gonna get all of that back to you, showing you a comparison of coverages along with how much you could be saving on your current auto insurance.